Sesame Place today for day 41. Today there is Elmo, the Count Von Count, Zoe, Big Bird, Bert, and Ernie out. Yeah, it's so hot outside. It's close to 100. Tomorrow is going to be 100. Is that crazy or what? So, you need to get in that water. Now it is, let me see, 2:40 in the afternoon. The parade starts in 20 minutes. Don't know if we're going to sit for the parade or not, but I do know that we are hungry, so we're going to get in there, get settled somewhere, and eat lunch. Here we go. You want to check the board real quick? I know you like to come over here and do this. Yes, because it is a school program, we do have to come a little later in the day. So, what do we have here? We have dance party, photos of Elmo. She wants to get out. And story time, Sesame story time. Yes, party parade, photos with Elmo, dance party. Welcome to the party.
Elmo.
Yes, that's Elmo. That's story time, yes. Are you ready, Iz? Oh my goodness. We had to stop at the Welcome Center and just let you know we did plan our Dine with Elmo, so that will be coming up. Of course, you know it's going to be before this video, but it's going to be an awesome dine. Now, the parade's getting ready to start, and we are really high. I mean, it is bad out here. I don't know. I just can't see sitting for the parade right now. It's really hot out here, guys. There's not going to be another parade at the end of the day, but getting cooled off right now is a priority. Like, if we were already cooled off, it probably wouldn't be so bad. So I think we're going to just head right for the water. Here we go. We are going into the Count Splash Castle first because it is super hot out here and we just couldn't take it nowhere. We were going to eat and we were like, nah, I think we're going to wait. I want to get really drenched in here. You know you can do it. That bucket come down, it'll get you, right, Iz? The bucket going to get us? Oh my God. Did you see that bucket? Yeah, Iz. Look! All right. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. She loves to pull on these strings here. All right, Iz, I'm going to walk through all this. Ready? I need cooled off. I'm going right through it all. Oh wow. Ready? Oh, man. I am drenched. Right there, I'm coming back. Woo! Oh my gosh, that felt so good. This is definitely a place to go cool off there. Wow, Iz. And she's still over here crawling around. Here we go. Oh man. Woo. Oh. There she goes. You're gonna fill that bucket up, Iz. Fill it up, Iz. That bucket got me. Wow. I think I turned the camera off too. Can you see that? Whoa. There it goes. Hit it. Ready? I'm like right under here, the roof. Whoa. There it goes. Look. Oh yeah. You can get it up here for sure. Look at that. Woo! All the way around me. Nice. Oh, Liz. We're going to go down the slides. Waiting in line. I'm wondering if Izzy's going to pick the yellow or the green. We're going to fill this up. Ready? Go ahead, pull the string, Iz, and fill it up. While we're waiting for our turn down the slide. Ready? Fill it up, Iz. Fill it. Fill it, fill it, fill it, fill it. Ready? Oh my gosh. Here it goes. Whoa! That was a good one, Iz. That was a good one. Green, okay. No more. She tried to get me with that. Go ahead.
I got you.
Yeah, I'll go down the yellow one. You go down the green one, okay? I'll meet you down there, Iz. Okay? Here we go. See if I can beat her down. I'm gonna beat you, Iz. Ready, Iz? Let's go! Woo! Wow! Oh my gosh, I'm like flying down here. Straight up. Go a little faster. Now let's see her coming down. Wow! What was that called, Iz? You alright, Iz? Alright. Oh, that was sure super fun, wasn't it, Iz? Iz, what do you want to do now? You want to go eat our lunch? You want to go eat? Because I'm hungry. I don't think I'm going to go back up there. You want me to go over there? What do you want me to go over there for? Oh no, she wants to hit me with that bucket in the video. Did you see the parade over there? It's going on. It's finally made it to the end. But we are really, really hungry. Ooh, I just got it by that bucket on the back of my leg. And I really want to go eat something. So now we are cooled off and we're going to sit right by Abby's Fairy Falls to eat something, right? But as we were coming over here, the lifeguards were walking around. I said, is this going to open? They think that this may be opening soon. So we're going to eat here. And hopefully that does, because this is a super fun slide to go down. Right, sit down. Oh my gosh, Izzy's thinking it's a button. You ready, Iz? Go ahead. There she goes.
Are you going to or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see if I can get her down there. Ooh. There she goes. What? All right. It looked like she had stopped for a second, but she didn't. All right, are you ready? We went down Abby's Fairy Falls. How many times? 4 times. And on the street right now, somewhere is the Count Von Count and Big Bird at 5. So let's go see if we can do a meet and greet. And then, you know, of course, we'll probably be back in Big Bird's Rambling River. I'm sure we're waiting for is. That's right. We all know who that is. You gonna show me? Show me who it is. I know. Don't you love that? Want me to take a picture of you? All right, ready? Cheese. And who's on the picture over here? Who is that? There he is. It says, yes, meet the Count. Awesome. What? Who's over here? I think Zoe's over here, right? Yeah, but I'm not sure when she'll be out. I have to look back. Zoe is coming out, but I think she comes out at 5:30. It's almost 5 o'clock, so we're going to wait over here for the Count. Are you ready, Iz? You want to see the Count? Go ahead. Go ahead. We've been waiting for him. Yeah, that's right. All right. Yeah, I know. You got a boo-boo on your toe. I'm going to move it back a little bit because I'm too close. Yes, that's the Count. Right. That's how we knew where he was, right? All right. All right, let's take a picture with the Count, right? Yeah, I know. You got boo-boos all over you today. Jeez. All right, Iz, here. Take a picture. Ready? Cheese. All right. Thank you so much, Count. We made it to Big Bird's Rambling River, right, Iz? Did we make it? Yeah, we made it. Oh, my goodness. It is a hot one today, and tomorrow Paige will be with us, and it's gonna be 100 degrees. She's like, I want to go tomorrow. I'm like, oh my gosh, out of all the days. So tomorrow is gonna be really brutal. All right, here we go. You gotta go through is. Oh wow! Wait. I was gonna say she was really quick with this. Oh my gosh! There we go. Got me in the ear. It like tickled my ear. Oh God. Woo! There you go. I thought it was a bug actually. Oh my goodness. We're having a good day. It's a short day. Shorter than normal, but good. It's been this way since she's had her school program. And tomorrow's going to be the same. We're going to be here to the later end of the day. I am standing right in front of the water park. If I turn around, you'll see it. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm thinking I'm going to walk backwards. I don't know if that will help. Oh, it's getting me in the back, Iz. I'm going through, Iz. And it didn't stay on. I watched it shut off that time. There's Izzy. I wonder why that's doing that. Let's see if I go back in. Alright, here we go. I gotta come on the outside just a little bit. So don't turn off again. Iz, what are you doing? Hey, you shoot at me. Jeez, Iz. We haven't watched Welcome to the Party in like a really long time. I'm staying cool in the water. Izzy's back in the bubbles, having a great time. She likes that spot. That's funny because I was just creating a video earlier today while she was in her school program. And on the video. We're doing this. We are headed out of Big Bird Rambling River with Izzy splashing the whole way. Izzy! Oh my gosh! I was hoping to see more characters. I don't know if we're going to get a chance to. Just because it is super hot and the water park does close in 15 minutes. So once we're out and it hits 6 o'clock, we're done. Boo! Boo! If we do get hot, we try to get over to the... Oh, you alright? What? She's alright. There's her coughing. There you go. Hey! Try to get over to the flower pot and get cooled off there. Sprinkles out a good bit of water. We came out of the Big Bird Rambling River. She was playing with the doorbell down there. But we are getting ready to go around and see Bert and Ernie. They're supposed to be out now. So let's take a look. Oh my God. It's a marshmallow. It's a blue marshmallow.
Why you can't have that? Because I gave that to her.
He ate the marshmallow.
When I go for
He's sharing with Ernie now, the blue marshmallow. All right, Iz, let's take a picture. Ready? Look, Iz, say cheese. Oh my gosh, that's a blue smile. Well, it matches your bathing suit at least. All right, Iz. Say thank you, Bert. Thank you, Ernie. Now she's playing rock, paper, scissors, shoot with them. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Bye, Bert. Bye.
Oh. All right, Iz, let's go. Say thank you, Bert. Thank you. There she goes. I can't believe you went in the back, Iz. Oscar says it's going to be a bumpy ride. Woo! We're getting ready to go on Elmo's blast off. You ready, Iz? There's Izzy. You're going to want to blast off? With the blue tongue with the marshmallow. Yeah, there's a thumbs up. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to take a picture. Thumbs up. Hey, where's the thumbs up again? There it is. I hope I got that on camera. All right, we got to put the camera away now because we do not want to drop my camera, right? Up, one more. There it is. All right, you ready? Yeah, you got blue tongue with the marshmallow. Is that funny how Bert and Ernie shared your blue marshmallow? Yeah, that was awesome, wasn't it? All right. Was that fun, Iz? What do you show? Elmo, again, peekaboo? Yeah. You want to go on the peekaboo? Oh my gosh, we haven't been on here in a while. All right, I'll go on here with you. Yeah, she said, yeah. Peekaboo was super fun. Now what you want to do is flying fish. She wants to go on the flying fish. It is 6:32. We got 28 minutes before the park closes. There's the flying fish there. Woo! Look at that. Super fun. There goes Izzy.
Hi everyone! Sesame Place is closing now. We had so much fun with you today. Thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, say goodbye everybody. That's 1, 2, goodbye. Yes.
She loves that one.
That's 3, 4 goodbyes.
Oh my gosh, she's giving me a hug. She's saying bye bye. Scram! She gets so excited. Alright, good. Well, it is. We had another super awesome day. Got to see the Count Von Count, Big Bird, Bert, and Ernie. And we got to go down Abby's Fairy Fall Slides, which was super fun. Started out with the Count Splash Castle. We also went to Big Bird Rambling River. Y'all never always do that. Got to do some dry rides, Oscar's Rusty Rackets. Oh yeah, almost blast off. Peekaboo. And the flying fish. And we weren't here very long today, were we? It was like 4 hours, yeah. We sure get to do a lot in 4 hours, don't we? And coming through here, I did show this in my other video. They have Big Bird shirts now, and I did tell Paige about it. She's like, yay! Big Bird shirts. Aren't they cute? Super cute. And then I think it's ponchos, which I did show. Oh, look! They got more of the Cookie Monster in. Oh, look! They only had Elmo last time we were here. That's good. They actually sold pretty fast. I'm going to give a look before I go out front here. I don't think I see anything else, Is? Looking. And the ponchos here. I'm guessing that's what they are. Really cool, really cool. It's always nice to have something for if it rains here. I mean, if the water's open and you're wet, it doesn't matter too much. But when the summer season closes, they'll be very useful, huh? Yeah. So we are headed out of Sesame Place and we had a super awesome day. Right, Is? And say we will see you next time, Sesame Place.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sesame Place.